twist, lick, dunk, Oreo, wonder-filled.
This video was created using just one single prompt. And now, see what happens next.
Where elegance meets precision, and every detail reflects something greater. The new white luxury sedan, crafted for the moments that move you.
Crafted for those who arrive with quiet confidence. Precision in every line, brilliance in every reflection. The new definition of modern luxury.
To create videos like this, go to the link YouArt.ai in the description below. Sign in using your Google account or any other account you have. Here is the interface of YouArt.ai. Here are a few great examples of the videos you can create using a single prompt with this tool. This is the complete workflow of this perfume ad. Now I'm going to create a biscuit ad video. For this, I'm uploading my product image. Now, paste this simple prompt. Hit enter. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for the PDF file of the prompts I'm using to create these videos. This is the node-based system workflow, which gives you full control to create almost anything you like. And here is the video created with just one single line prompt.
Twist, lick, dunk, Oreo, wonder-filled.
Click here to download the video in full HD resolution. Here, the tool selected is Google Nano Banana Pro for generating the ad outline images. Here, you get access to some of the world's best premium image generating tools all in one place, without spending a huge amount of money on individual purchases. You can arrange the workflow easily by selecting and managing multiple timelines together. There are also many premium video generating tools that you can select manually. This is one of the best features of this platform. You get access to top video generation tools like Veo 3.1, Kling, Hailuo, and many others in one place. This particular video was made using Sora 2.0 Pro, which was selected automatically. You can also manually select any tool you prefer. From here, you can change the aspect ratio, duration, and resolution of the video. Now, let's try the second prompt. Upload your vehicle image. Paste the prompt here. Here, multiple scenes are generated according to my prompt, showing different angles and directions. Now download all the videos. And here is the final version.
Where elegance meets precision, and every detail reflects something greater. The new white luxury sedan, crafted for the moments that move you.
Crafted for those who arrive with quiet confidence. Precision in every line, brilliance in every reflection. The new definition of modern luxury.
Next, let's try something using image editing with manual workflow. First, copy the prompt. Upload your image, paste the prompt, and then press enter. I asked to change my outfit to a white t-shirt, place me in a natural greenery environment, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This task was handled by Google Nano Banana. Now, copy this prompt. Click the plus icon and select the video generating tool you like. I'm selecting Kling 2.1 for this. Paste the prompt here. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Hit the Run button and wait a few moments. Here is the result. This is another creative workflow timeline from my project. First, I uploaded my image. Then I used this prompt. Change the outfit to a clean white t-shirt. Replace the background with a natural greenery environment featuring soft sunlight and fresh outdoor tones. Ensure realistic lighting, natural shadows, and a clean, professional look. UART.ai applied the changes according to my prompt using Google Nano Banana. Then I used the video prompt, and the tool generated the video frames using Nano Banana Pro. After completing all the steps, YouArt.ai automatically selected Google Veo to generate the final video. From here, you can change the video ratio, duration, and resolution. You can also change the image ratio and the number of images generated at a time. So, which tools are you going to use for your next project from this amazing UART.ai website? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.